Hello from Washington. It's a beautiful autumn sunny day. You can see it in my back. The leaves are beautiful. The lake is beautiful. And I wanted to share with you my information about how I got into the White House as a European citizen. I had a tour today, and the process was quite smooth. I just looked up members of the Congress and wrote to a couple of them that I'm Austrian, European. I would like to see the White House if there is any chance. And one person uh, replied to me. I was lucky, and uh, s- um, gave my name and my data to the administration of the White House, and they sent me a link to apply. I applied, and fortunately, I could take the tour, and that's remarkable because usually, like in 2023, and uh, also for the other things, it's not so common that you can do that for the White House. Usually, only people, for example, say United States citizens who, for example, someone is living in North Carolina, looking up the member of Congress from there, writing them, contacting them, and then get the chance to see it. So, this is a really nice experience as a European to see the White House in this way. Before, it was easier for everyone to have the White House tour, but now you have to apply, and that's the way you can do it. So I hope this information will help you. Now I will show you the White House.
But of course, the most important thing that happened to me in the White House was getting married in the East Room. So that was a special thing to me.